I am Sheshraj Singh Pawar. Today I turned citizen journalist to tell you how this Noida Expressway is accident prone due to fault in construction. पिछले साल नवंबर में इस एक्सप्रेसवे पे हमारा एक्सीडेंट हुआ। बाई चांस मैं और मेरा बेटा तो बच गए, परंतु हमारी गाड़ी पूरी तरह से डैमेज हुई। अगर बेसिक कंस्ट्रक्शन रूल्स को फॉलो किया जाता तो बहुत सारे एक्सीडेंट टाले जा सकते हैं।
According to the Noida police records, an estimated 220 deaths have occurred in the last 5 years, of which 33 alone died in 2013. After our accident, I researched and found out that there were some basic constructional flaws with the Noida Expressway, which were making it a death trap. This picture that I clicked minutes after my accident clearly shows that if a curbstone was in place, this accident could have been avoided.
कर्ब स्टोन एक एलिवेशन है, इसको व्हील कर्ब भी कहते हैं। ये 23 सेंटीमीटर ज़रूरत होती है इंडियन रोड कांग्रेस के अनुसार। यहाँ पर ये 30 सेंटीमीटर उपलब्ध है और इसके साथ साथ जो थर्मोपेंट जो ज़रूरी है, जो ड्राइवर को इंडिकेट करने के लिए कि आप कर्ब स्टोन के पास आ रहे हैं, वो भी यहाँ पर लगा हुआ है। ये दोनों कर्ब स्टोन और थर्मोपेंट दोनों के दोनों इस नोएडा अथॉरिटी के एरिया में प्रॉपर टाइप लगे हुए हैं, परंतु यही चीज़ें एक्सप्रेसवे पे एग्जिस्ट नहीं करती।
At night it becomes impossible to judge the median or the side of the road because of the lack of curb stone or thermopaint on expressway.
को ओवरटेक करने से हमारे ड्राइवर ने उस गाड़ी को बचाया और मेरी गाड़ी फुटपाथ पर चढ़ गई।
अगर इसमें वो लगे हुए होते पत्थर तो गाड़ी बच सकती,
तो शायद गाड़ी बच सकती।
Due to an increase in the vehicle speed, crash barriers are being provided on the curves everywhere in the country. On Noida Expressway, crash barriers are either not present or not placed at proper height. In place of crash barriers, RCC pillars with barbed wires have been provided, which cannot take the weight of the crashing vehicles. This huge expressway, which was constructed with crores of rupees, ignored and flouted these basic rules laid down by Indian Road Congress and is getting away with it. Not just the curb stone and road studs, at the curves, no elevation has been provided for the vehicles. There are no speed signs, no traffic signals, no speed arresters, no footover bridge, and heavy plantation makes the sight of the curves obscure at night.
गाड़ियों की स्पीड के ऊपर कोई कंट्रोल नहीं है। यह एक्सप्रेसवे 80 किलोमीटर की स्पीड के लिए डिज़ाइन किया गया था, पर अब इस पर 120 से 150 किलोमीटर तक की स्पीड पर गाड़ियां दौड़ती हैं।
My research on the constructional flaws of Noida Expressway have been supported by Central Road Research Institute. The safety audit done by CRRI found many flaws all along the expressway.
They are given a double row of metal beam crash barrier along with your delineation of the curb stone, which is to be reconstructed for 20 centimeter and which will have a proper delineation as well, and also the optical speed bars have been specifically suggested in the report.
By following basic rules laid by Indian Road Congress, many lives can be saved on this expressway and many accidents can be avoided. Noida Authority should follow the specification laid by Indian Road Congress to avoid these accidents. This is Sheshraj Singh Pawar, CJ CNN IBM.